Hi. So the app that I chose to use is the Articulation Station Pro by Little Bee Speech. I use that pretty frequently at work as a speech therapist, but anybody could really use it. Gen ed teachers, special ed teachers, title teachers, anybody could use it to help with children to recognize their letters, their sounds, um, be able to read and hear how their sounds are, that all those type of good things. It is a pronunciation app and an articulation app, but it also has all those other benefits of letter recognition and all those. And it can help kids practice their sounds. There's 22 letter sounds that are on there, as well as it provides over 1,000 target words, which is amazing. It also children can practice their sounds not only by looking at the words, they can play games, like matching games. They can do it in sentences and read different stories with each target sound. They have all the simple words that a lot of children have difficulty with are the main focus words. You can create group sessions up to 6 students, which I use that frequently with my kids, my 5-minute articulation students. It's really nice because it keeps data and also puts the percentage on there, so you don't have to go back and do all the math yourself. It just does it for you, which is fantastic. It keeps and then a little bit about the app. It is $59 or $59.99 on the Apple Store. It's only available through the Apple platform. It's not yet for Android or the Google, which is kind of unfortunate, I feel like, but I guess that's just where it is. And ways that teachers can use it is it's a tool that you can use for struggling students that struggle with different pronunciation. Teachers can use it for groups in class to practice their letter recognition, their reading, that type of thing. Speech therapists can use it to practice their articulation with their students to do their sounds correctly and appropriately. And teachers can also use it with their groups to work on sentences or words, phrases, sentences, stories, that type of thing. It has so many options for practice. Okay, and I will now show you the app. Okay, so this is the app right here. The lighting, for some reason, it takes a hard time. There we go. So this is the main screen. And if I click on, let's say, the P sound. So let's see, with the P, see how it has words, phrases, sentences, stories. So if, let's say, I picked words, you can choose, whoops, oh, stop, let's see, done, P, words. I'm going to do, it gives you the option of flashcards or matching. If you do like the matching games, then you can pick your initial, medial, final word position if you'd like. And then it gives you the option to play a game. Like, hopefully it'll come in. Let's see. There we go, slightly. I'm sorry, the lighting is terrible. Okay, so then it's just the matching game. So that's really motivating for students. And then this is where I was telling you about like the scoring. Oops, my iPad just shut off. Hang on just 1 second. Sorry about this. Okay, so this is like the scoring that is saved onto my iPad app for all my students. Hopefully it'll load. So this is for this particular student. It saves per date. And it has that recording feature. It also has where you can do the groups. Oh, and you can also do multiple sounds at a time. So if you click on the multiple sounds, all these sounds will come up and you can just select the sounds and then it'll sort through all the sounds, which is really helpful for when kids are working on different sounds. Then you can get it all done in one shot. So that's helpful, and I use that pretty frequently. And that's all I have on Articulation Station Pro. Thank you.